Hi everyone, today I'm going to present about the metals and content of life, that is the respiration and transportation. Okay, let's see. The superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava carry the deoxygenated blood from the various parts of the body to the heart. From the heart, the pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Gas exchange occurs in the lungs. Oxygenated blood is returned to the heart by the pulmonary vein. Oxygenated blood leaves the heart via the aorta and is distributed to all parts of the body except the lungs. Cigarette tar and nicotine are one of the toxic substances found in cigarette smoke. These substances can cause lung disease by damaging our airways and small air cells, which is known also as alveoli, found in our lungs. Lung diseases caused by smoking, which includes emphysema and chronic bronchitis. Smoking limits blood flow through the arteries and veins in two main ways. First, nicotine, the most addictive chemical in cigarettes, causes the blood vessels to get more narrow. This both limits the amount of blood they can carry and over time causes to lose their flexibility and become more stiff. So next, this is the example of a lungs, which is the smoker and non-smoker. That's all for now. Thank you.